It suck. I just think I'm a little bit too exhausted with this car, man. Test drive went good. I just remember I have to put this radiator support on here. I forgot all about that. Then I have to set up his that's like to his music, to his air ride. And guess what? While I was doing the test drive, yes, we went on the test drive. I couldn't record though. I was on the test drive and the damn airbag went out. Check this out. Oh yeah, y'all wanna see the dash? Damn! I don't know where's it at, but I got the toggle switch all hooked up too. Oops, hold on real quick. See, changing the RPMs. I gotta do set the time and all that stuff. So everything in here is set up. Only thing I gotta do now is the tack work. Everything in here works. Last thing I gotta do is the fuel. And his damn thing didn't come with the freaking little connectors for the turn signals. But check this out. So it goes up, right? Did y'all hear that? Leaky. But it's accepting the air, man. Thing starts right up though, man. So cool. It'll be just a moment. Wait outside. Wait outside the door. Huh? Oh, all right. So yeah, man. There she goes. And y'all don't be looking up in the video looking at other stuff, man. Y'all focus on one car at a time. Don't be looking in the shop looking at other stuff, man. What's wrong with you peoples? I will give y'all a sneak peek, but nah, y'all just gotta watch, man. Any other car that you see in the video, trust me, I'm not working on it. If I was working on it, you would have seen it already. But yeah, man, so I got that bracket over there painted. I'm gonna take this off, paint this, take this off, paint this, repaint the coil packs. Just do a quick pressure wash all that stuff, and then shoot, man, take it back to the exhaust shop because I can't get that thing to line up right. Do a quick clay on the whole car and buff it, and that's it, man. She out of here. Where'd you go? I miss you so. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. Honestly, I don't even know how this damn video gonna turn out, man. So, whatever. Hope you guys enjoyed it. So here it is. As you can see, it's basically the same radiator, but this one right here, it's a little lower. That one right there is a little higher. This one don't got the transmission lines because I don't need them. And you see the, what's that car right there? The damn lower radiator is a little, that one's a little lower, this one's a little higher, but the same damn thing, it works. Just gotta take this little fitting off, this one right here, put it on that one, and then good. The only one they had in stock, so I had to go with it, get the car up out of here. I actually was able to fix the exhaust, and what I'm going to do is do the first startup. It had a transmission leak too, fix that too, so. Oh, airbag broke, watch this. Stupid, nothing but air. Start up, let's see if it leaks or not. That sounds good. Whatever, cut off. Yeah. Maybe because I got the butt up and it's running low on gas. So let's drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot. Time to pull out HP tuners. It's crazy. Sometimes you ain't gotta do nothing to a car. You can just freaking leave it, and it'll act like an asshole when you get back to it. Oh, the air light already cut off, but I'm gonna cut it off. But I found this damn piece again that my daughter was cutting on. I'll put that in this video. And now keep going. Press it harder. Okay, stop. Hold the gun.
It's not a gun.
It is. It's a drill. All right, put it back right there. No. Yeah, there you go, right there. Go ahead. Now press harder. Harder. There you go. All done. Now you just gotta clean it off and put the hole in. $30. Is that easy?
Yeah.
Your hair look crazy.
Leave my hair alone. Wait, I don't know how to do it.
I showed you, like, there you go. The other way. No, the other way. There you go. And stop it. Just do your thing, man. Just do your thing. You definitely gonna have to start coming more, bruh. I'm gonna start you off with oil changes. That'll be a lot easier. I just got all this little plastic shit kind of melted on there, so I don't know. Figure out what the hell I'm gonna do with this shit. But I'm gonna put this on there and figure out if I'm gonna paint it black or if I'm just gonna polish it up and leave it silver to match that, or do I paint that black, paint this black? I don't know. Too many damn options. Sound quiet. But the idle is low, super low. So I'm about to just, I didn't even grab HP tuners. I just put a little piece in there, open it up a little bit. But I'm about to change the idle right now. Got my computer, it's on the charger. Charging. Look at all that oil burning off. I need some more power steering fluid too. So I'm about to literally let it just sit here for about an hour and idle and see what happens, man. Make sure it's, well, I know it's not overheating and none of that stuff, but make sure everything's good, everything's working, functioning properly. Matter of fact, I'm going to run the gas stuff right now and see what's up with it, man. Test drive this thing was, woo, it was nice, man. I ain't gonna lie, it was fun. I wanted to leave though. Most cars I test drive, I don't want them to go. I want this one to go. All that damn smoke. Yay, yay! It's a bad motherfucker. Oh, wait. Can't wait for this car to go. Something going on with the steering, man. Oh, the steering is fucked up. I don't know what the hell that is, Bob. Man, I'm sorry, Patrick. I really hate this car. The damn thing, this damn thing just ran out of gas, man. My ass supposed to hook the fuel gauge up, didn't hook it up. And I'm gonna hook it up as soon as I do the test drive, everything be good on it and blah, blah, blah. Stupid, man. I've been letting this car idle for about an hour. And everything seemed to be working fine, and then that happened, so. And I thought I lost my phone, but I went to go get my, so I don't know how you unlock his phone, but yeah. I called my phone like 7 times, and he said somebody answering is hanging up, and I'm like, oh shit. Luckily the phone was still in the car, so I'm gonna go get some gas, and then Hopefully he send this damn car on his way, man. I need to go. Can't believe that. Got a gallon. Only got a gallon of gas real quick. Leave this crap, man. It's annoying. Oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. Oh, and then I left the damn funnel at the shop. I'm stupid. You don't want to drink this. Burn your damn chest. See, I'm gonna make this work. Stupid stuff, man. Need 2 hands. Please let the car guys be with me. Fucking like 2 hours, 3 hours, 2.5, 3, almost 3 hours a day wasted on this shit. Cause the fuck, man. This crap. God dang. So dry, this stuff stupid. Come on, baby. I'm almost there. I'm gonna talk to you nice, baby. But you gotta be nice to me too. Come on. Let's get to the shop. Get you out this heat. See, I know you want to get out this heat because I can hear you trying to start. What do I need to do? Let me know. Come on, let me know what I need to do. You start, I'll get you there. You suck. Yep. Broke down on the second test drive. Some cars just don't want to be swapped, baby. Like, subscribe, share, and comment. I don't know what he playing, but that shit sound alright. That's that reggae. Yeah, I gotta put another tune on there again, because remember I deleted that file off that old one. I gotta retune it. I didn't delete the file, I just changed it. I could just upload it. Hey, cool, you see that little button right there? Can you press that little red button to turn them airbags off? See, I probably, you hear it? You hear the fuel up there?
You got the snorkel open. You got the snorkel open?
Oh, yeah. This nigga don't like being on camera, man, but fuck it. Got it running, man. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, hey, she might have got stolen tonight, nigga.
I won't be all over YouTube. I done shot motherfucker.
He's out of shot, motherfucker. Oh, he know the guru. He know the guru.
I know to find this nigga ass that down.
Right.
You a motherfucker.
He said, shoot him too, nigga. Right. I'm gonna let that shit cycle a little bit, man. That motherfucker sound alright, man. It's quiet in the motherfucker, huh? Yeah, man. I'm gonna see if my unk real quick gonna record me while I warm the tires up, make sure the tires is working. Hey, cool. Record this real quick.
Hold on.
Hey, that little thing Scooby Doo, huh?
Heat them up.
Huh?
Heat them up.
All I'm gonna do is start sliding. Damn. Everything wanna go with this motherfucker. She gotta go. She gotta go, man. Damn. Get your paper, cuz.